Hello traders, The title of this video is a high probability trading example for swing traders. Alright, even if you are a day trader, you can watch this video because you can apply this on your lower time frame. Alright, so stay with us. Even if you are day trading, you can apply this on a 2-hour time frame looking for day trading opportunity, though primarily the video is for swing traders. Now you may say, George, I'm a position trader. Okay, even if you are a position trader, though we are talking about swing trading, you can apply this strategy, for instance, on a quarterly chart for your position trading, even on a yearly chart for your position trading, even on a monthly chart for position trading. All right, let's get started. High probability trading example for swing traders. I mentioned it before. I talked about it before. I want to bang into it in your head. Are we allowed to do that? All right. If you think it's wrong, all right, my apologies. All right. To traders, price, take it from me. What I'm trying to do here, all right, because the reason why I'm recording the video, I'm posting it at the 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. I want that channel to be a place when somebody that is struggling as a stock trader, as a technical trader, when that person visits that YouTube channel, that person may learn something and may say, wow, that can help that person to start improving very fast. Simple thing that means one can learn and improve. So there are videos that I consider very important that I'm recording now for that channel, all right? So very simple. Are you swing trading? Or are you TSTWSYS008 trader? Before you go to the signal time frame, all right, look for this trading setup. You can look for this trading setup on a daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart. If you are TSTWSYS008 trader, when you see that on any time frame, you go now to the signal time frame. Then you implement, the correct procedure to trading. Very simple. If you are a swing trader and you have been taking all kind of trade up and down, some of them are working, some of them are not working, and you never figure out, you didn't use what we call Google Analytics to know what is working, like my channel. I know that people that are watching my channel, 90% of them are male, and also their age is between 18 and 55. How do I know? It's because I find out using Google Analytics, So sometimes traders are using, trading method, trading strategy. They are swing trading. They take one trade today, so one day they have a beautiful trade. So they don't pay attention why that trade was so successful. They don't understand why. So they go and take another trade, so they are happy. They go and take another swing trade, and that one end up being losing. The third one is a winning trade. The fourth one is a losing trade. But what you want to do is to find those high probability trading, swing trading setup, right? That's why we are talking about high probability trading example for swing trading. Price breaks above a prior high and retest it. Traders that are following us before know about this, but we're going to look at this one. This is electronic art. If you play games, beautiful game, electronic art games, I like them. Racing, beautiful. All right. So electronic art, you see, found a resistor here, so as it came, touch it here, pull back. You can expect that, and then it breaks a ball. What the price will do after breaking a ball, try to retest it, and then try to retest it here. This is a nice entry here, but that's not what we are talking about. Now it ran away. So in fact, this is one example. So it breaks above a prior high and retests it. A swing trader. This is a high probability trading setup. Did it go up? Yes, look at that. Those are the trades you want to trade. So you want to concentrate only on trading setup that are working. High probability trading setup. Use the TSTWSYS008 on the signal time frame. That's what you want to do all the time. You just want to bang on the things that are working. But look, after running now for some time, for almost 2 years, look what it did. Came back again to retest what? The prior high. What did they do here? They bought it again. Price retesting prior high after breaking above it. And then you want to implement a top-down trading method, or you want to use a TSCWSY 008. You see it on any time frame, higher time frame, daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly chart. Go to the signal time frame. Implement a top-down trading method, breathe in, breathe out, carefully. Make sure you get paid. Was he a successful trade here? Look at this. This is a messy stochastic pattern. Now, normally, what you should see this is a messy one. If you are TSCWSY a trader, or you purchase the stochastic pattern, the 2,4 SP trading material, normally the stochastic will be overbought first, and then you form a low, and that low will be followed by, oh, hold on, please. And that low will be followed by a lower low, yes or no? This is a distinctive stochastic pattern. So a distinctive stochastic pattern is formed, and the price is also retesting a prior high. Implement a top-down trading method. See how the price ran is a tall candlestick bar. They took a bit of profit very fast, followed by with a long tail, and they bought it again. Up. You see what I'm talking about now? Now, another thing I mentioned to traders in a video that I posted at 2-4 Stock Trader. Please help us. Okay, we want to reach 1,000 subscribers. We are now at 780. If you know somebody that may be interested in learning to trade stock, okay, shout about 2-4 Stock Trader, okay, in your forums, okay, so we can reach that level of 1,000 subscribers. That would be very, very good. All right. So I talk about this also. This is a pattern. So I think in the video that I titled "How to Use a Price Target Like a Pro," precisely. Is that the one? The bullish trend is completed. Price form a V pattern. Look at that. All right. It's a distinctive bullish pattern. It's telling us that if it breaks above the neckline of that V pattern, there's a high chance we break above the neckline of this V pattern, and you test it. We talk about this, you know it now. What is the target? The reality, you measure the depth, put it up. You set the midpoint target somewhere near the pink line here. The ultimate target is there. Did they take profit near the ultimate target? Look at that bearish engulfment. So they push it a little bit above the target to take those that are selling straight away on the dot. They are kicked out by the contrarian trader. Now we have the bearish engulfment. So you will see the activity of the contrarian trader. After an up move, you will see them bearish engulfment. We'll show you, but I go a little bit above the target for me in a bearish engulfment. No, this is the activity of the contrarian traders. Don't fear them, all right? Flow with them. They want to sell, but they buy first, taking other people that were selling like old-fashioned trader before they will sell them down, before they will sell again. All right? You see them? Beautiful. Another financial instrument that I want to show you, I want these tutorials to be very short. I'm coming very close to the end of my time. Look carefully. You will say, price breaks above a prior high and retest it. Can you see one here? Yes. See this high here? Was it significant? Was going down, significant high. Was it? See the green line? What the price did first time? See, breaks above and retest here. Did they go up? It go up for 2 months. Was a messy here though. Push it back down, blah, blah, blah. But retest again, go a little bit below. Well, the reason why it's coming here is because of this trend line. Look at this trend line. The trend line. That's what I say to trade. Anytime you are using horizontal line, especially if you are using break above a prior high and retest it, sometimes you want to watch the trend line. So anytime you are using horizontal key level, don't forget the trend line. This is something that traders are forgetting. But traders that are paying attention to what I'm calling a hotspot trading zone, meaning that the intersection between a trend line or a moving average and horizontal key levels, all right, they will not miss those opportunities. And you will see here, this one example here. So the reason why they push it all the way down, they want to retest that red trend line. There's a hotspot trading zone, just in the corner there, this zone here. That's the whole point of pushing it down. They don't want to, they worry a bit that why don't we just bring it to the edge instead of buying on the top like this? So people bought it here, they went on and say, bring it to the edge. So sometimes you see that. Don't forget the trend line. Don't forget the moving averages in conjunction with the horizontal kilos. There was a prior high. Is he go up? He went up. So if you miss it, you couldn't buy here, or they take you out. Sometimes they have a losing trade, they get emotional and they forget it. Don't forget, you want your money back, yes or no? Well, they took your money, you want it back. Just put it on your watch list. After a few days, come back. Here it is. A higher low, above a prior high. After retesting a prior high, so it breaks above the prior high, was messy, maybe they take you out. Now here it is forming a higher low. How do you know it's a higher low? It's common settler is broken. This is a very high probability trading setup. So you see here what is happening here. So the price, you see there was this high here, then the price went up from this high. Again here, what the price did, it breaks above this high again. And we test it again here. Is that a high probability trading setup we are talking about? The high probability trading setup example for swing traders. Another high, basically, and test it on a monthly chart. If you are a swing trader, all right, I recorded a video at 24 Stock Trader, and I'm talking about the 4 reasons why one should use the monthly chart. Check it out. Don't use weekly chart. If you are a swing trader, I recommend monthly chart. If the weekly chart is working for you, then good, okay? You can use the daily chart, weekly chart, quarterly chart, so on, but you want to upgrade sometime, all right? Upgrade. So look. So we are talking about this high here. So prior went above it, blah, 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 and then around all the way up here. Okay, now it's coming down. Where is it going? You want to retest this high here. Why now it stop here? Again, that's what I'm talking about. Don't forget the trend lines. Prior was coming down to retest this prior high here, this one here. But because of that trend line, where you see this one, the blue one, it stop. You see this stop. This low here, make it a bit thicker for you. You don't want to forget the trend line. Sometimes traders they forget, don't forget the trend line. So they try to find a support on the edge of that trend line instead of coming all the way here. Now, how do you know that the price is finding a support? Common trend line will be broken. So this is just a short tutorial to shout about it, to bang it in your head. Are we allowed to do that? Okay. To get your attention, that concentrate on this a high probability trading setup, if you're a swing trader. The opposite is also true in a downtrend. All right, when the price, okay, will break below a prior low, and then it will retest it. So there was a low before, and it may below it, and then retest it. Same story, but other way around. Here, it was this low here. It break below it. Now you see, it went a bit up. Why is it going? Why? Now I want to ask you a question. All right, try to answer that correctly after all the energy I spent explaining everything to you. Why the price now went above this one a little bit? It didn't stop on the edge. Do you see why? Trend lines. Draw the trend lines. Draw the trend lines. Oh no, it didn't touch that trend line there. Okay. Oh, are we? Hold on, please. Usually there is a trend line because of the computers. Are we? This one. You see now? This point and that one. Anytime you are using this method, don't forget the trend line. I don't want you to forget it because sometimes you can forget, but you don't want to see. So instead of just stopping it, they say, oh, why don't we sell it on the edge of the trend line, like George said? On the edge is better than in the middle. See? So this is the opposite in the downtrend. Right from below, break below, retest. Aware of the trend line. That's the prior low there. Then implement a different time frame trading method. Don't just buy or sell because of that. Well, that would be wrong. It's like you are trading like old-fashioned trading. Different time frame trading method. You may say, Joe, you're talking about different time frame trading method. I don't know anything about it. I will say to you, where have you been? There is a playlist. Just you to search the phrase Mastering Top-Down Trading Method by 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. Don't watch anywhere else, please. So this will conclude our discussion today about high probability trading example for swing traders. All right. So from today, you want to find those high probability trading setups and work on them so you can use a demo account As I said, you say, George, I get enough, but don't go live straight away. You say, demo account, work on it, polish it, work on it, polish it. And then when you know, yes, now master it, then you go live, okay? That's the best approach. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike it, be sure to mark it down. If you think it's an essential tutorial that can help other traders, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Sometimes I'm posting video first on Facebook. My Facebook page is Stochastic-Bhakti. Sometimes I'm on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is 24 Stock Trader. Be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. To learn more about technical trading, you may go to www.stochastic-MACD. All right, to master swing trading. All right. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the STW24 traders talking about high probability trading example for swing traders. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you soon. Happy trading to you all.